Hello, teacher.
Hello, Mintu. How are you today? Are you okay?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Let me just this is how that I see you. Okay, I just want to write the time quickly. Okay, can you see the picture? I just want to find our listening quickly. Okay, give me 1 minute. Let me see. I know. Okay.
Cambridge Young Learners English Tests. Flyers. Second edition by Katrina Cliff. Published and copyright Oxford University Press 2018. Hello. This is the Flyers listening test. Test 2.
Went to the circus last week. Do you like my photo?
Yes, it's great. Did you have a good time?
Oh, yes. Can you see that man in the jacket with stripes?
What? With the big hat?
Yes. Well, he's called Robert. He talked to me.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines.
Okay, you ready?
That's nice. And did you like?
You ready?
Yes.
Okay.
The clowns?
Yes. And you see Fred? He's the one who's dropped
Okay, Mintu, you must look at it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to
the
remember.
balls.
Oh, yes. The fatter clown.
Yes. He was really funny.
Oh, and look at those girls flying through the air.
Okay. You're going to listen again. You need to look at the picture.
Did you have a good time?
Oh, yes. Can you see that man in the jacket with stripes?
Okay, this is example.
With the big hat?
Yes. Well, he's called Robert. He talked to me.
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. That's nice. And did you like the clowns?
Yes. And you see Fred? He's the one who's dropped the balls.
Oh, yes. The fatter clown.
Yes. He was really funny.
Fred. He dropped the balls. The other one, he dropped the balls. He's the fatter clown. Okay, good.
Oh, look at those girls flying through the air.
Oh, yes. It looks very dangerous, doesn't it?
Yes. What are their names? Do you know?
I don't know the one on the left, but the one on the right above the lion, she's called Katie. I talked to her too.
Hello, Quinn. Hello. Very good, Mintu. Hello, Quinn. Can you hear me? Hello, Quinn.
Hello, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. We're doing some listening. Okay, Quinn, you can do the next one. Number 3.
Wow. And those two girls buying ice creams, who are they?
Well, the taller one, she's my best friend Sally.
And the shorter one?
Oh, that's only my...
The taller girl. The one buying the ice cream. Okay. Mintu, the shorter one is?
sister.
Oh. And what about the little girl watching the circus?
What? The one sitting in front of her mother?
Yes.
Oh, well, her mother's my aunt. And she's my cousin, Lucy.
And it...
Very good. No, sorry, this one. This is Sally. This is Lucy. Can change it, Mintu? Okay. Last one, number 5, Quinn. Are you ready?
Yes.
She a nice girl?
She's okay.
And what about the other clown?
What? The one riding the bicycle?
Yes, with the stripes on his hat.
Oh, yes. He's called Paul, like my dad.
Oh, right.
Paul. Okay. Let's carry on. History homework. Okay. Number 1 for Mintu. Quinn. Mintu. Quinn. Mintu. Okay, let's listen. Wait 1 minute.
And your name, Grandpa? Walter. How do you spell that?
Yes. Ready?
Mintu.
It's W-A-L-T-E-R. Have you got it?
Got it.
W-A-L-T-E-R. Very good. Quinn, number 2.
Yes.
Where did he live? In a house, in a flat, in an apartment?
Right. What's next then?
Well, where did you live when you were a child?
Oh, I lived in a small flat with my family in South London.
In a house or a flat?
In the house flat.
In a flat.
In the flat.
Okay. Okay, Mintu, who is part of his family?
Not too far from here. But it only had 2 bedrooms. Not like the house you live in now. The toilet was outside.
Outside?
Yes, can you believe it? And we only had a bath once a week. And we had it in front of a big wood fire in the living room.
That sounds great. So did you have a big family then, Grandpa?
Yes, very big. I didn't have any sisters, but I had 5 brothers. And then my parents, of course.
Mintu, 5.
I don't hear.
5 brothers and my parents. Okay, you must just put an S on the end. Okay. Quinn, what was his first job?
Wow, that is a big family. And what job did you do, Grandpa?
Oh, well, I've had lots of jobs.
But which was your favourite?
My favourite? Well, that'd be when I was a fireman. But before that,
Okay.
I was a mechanic.
Wait,
That
before.
was the first job I did.
What was his first job? Mechanic.
Mechanic.
Okay, Mintu, what are his hobbies?
Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, and what about hobbies, Grandpa? Did you have any hobbies?
Yes. Well, when I was younger, I liked going into the garage and driving the expensive cars, of course. But these days, I just like sitting at home and looking at my old stamps.
Looking at old stamps. Old stamps. Must I help you, Mintu? Let me help you. Old stamps. Okay. Where did Mrs. Black take these pictures? Let me make it bigger. Okay, so over here we have a bridge and a restaurant. Let me just write it over here. Okay, you know what to do?
That is the end of part 2. Part 3. Listen and look. There is one example. Where did Mrs. Black take these pictures?
Mum, have you seen these pictures of me when I was little?
Oh, they're lovely, Katie. Let me see. I took these ages ago. Oh, look, that's you with Aunt Pat. That was when we all went on holiday in a boat together. It was so cold that holiday.
I
Aunt Pat.
don't remember that at all.
Can you see the letter E? Now you listen and write a letter in each box.
Mintu, number 1 for you.
And what about this one?
That's your Uncle Fred.
Oh, he looks just like Dad.
Yes, but he's got a beard, hasn't he? Well, he came with us on holiday one year, with your cousins too, and that picture was at the airport. We had to wait there for 5 hours. It was terrible.
Very good, Mintu. Quinn, are you ready?
Yes.
And what about this one? Is that Alex?
Yes, that's you with your brother when we went to see that old castle for the day. No, wait a minute. That was outside the Science Museum. We went there in the afternoon. Do you remember that?
Yes. It was very boring.
Boring.
What's for? Quinn, you need to put a letter of the Science Museum next to Alex.
Mm.
I will help you. Okay. Mintu,
No, it wasn't. It was great. But what about this one? I remember this. That's you and Sue. Doesn't she look small there?
Where were we?
Oh, you were outside that big new store that opened in town, and we spent all our money on new clothes. And then later, we went for lunch in a very expensive restaurant.
Yeah, that was a great day.
And
okay. Outside the shopping center with Sue.
you see this one here?
Very good. Okay, Quinn.
Well, that's your dad.
Oh, he
Dad.
looks so much younger there.
Yes, he does. And that was when we visited that beautiful little village in the countryside. And we had a picnic near a lovely old bridge by the river. That was a nice day.
It's a mom. Mm.
Dad.
That is a and
Bridge. Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
red.
Okay. Mintu, where was Dad's
That
picture?
Alex fell in the water and got very dirty. And you were very angry.
Yes, but it was still a nice day. And that last one you've got is with me. Oh dear, I do look young. Look at my hair. Now, where was that? Oh, yes, I know. It was on holiday when we stayed in that big hotel by the lake. That was expensive too.
Yay. Okay, Quinn, you're not going to learn now.
Red.
Okay, you must tell Mrs. how you're going to learn next time, okay? Okay, Mintu. Let's carry on. A, B, or C? I just want to find it quickly. Okay.
4. Listen and look. There is one example. What's Jane going to study next year?
You've done so well in your exams, Jane. Are you excited about going to college?
Yes, I am.
I'm sad that you aren't studying science. You were so good at it.
Sorry, Mr. Green. I do like science, but I'm just better at history.
And you didn't want to do geography?
Well, I've never been very good at that.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. Which is Jane's room?
So, do you know where you're going to live?
Yes, in a flat. It's very nice. I'm going to live with 5 other people.
5? And what's your room like?
Oh, it's small, but it's got a desk under a lovely big window. And it's got a bathroom and toilet too.
It sounds great.
It's got a desk under the window. The bathroom has a toilet. Can you see it, Mintu? Are you doing something else? No, I've just explained it to you. You're not listening. It has a desk under the window and the bathroom has a toilet. Okay. Number 2.
2. Which girl has Jane already met?
Yes, I went to see it last weekend. One of the girls was there at the flat.
Oh, and is she nice?
Yes, she is. She's got long hair, very straight and blonde, not like me. Look, here's a picture of her.
Oh, yes. She looks friendly.
Okay. Number 3.
3. Which suitcase is Jane going to take?
And have you got everything ready?
Well, yes, I have now. But I had a problem. I've got this suitcase, you see. I really love it. I've had it for ages. It's got spots on it, but I couldn't get all my clothes in it.
Oh, dear.
So I went to town yesterday with Mum, and she bought me a new one. It's big and it's got flowers on it. I'm taking that. There was another one in the shop, the same but bigger, but that was too expensive.
No, this is the other one that was bigger. But it was too expensive. Okay.
Four. When is Jane going to college?
So, when are you leaving?
Well, I have to be there next week because lessons start on Monday.
Oh, so you've got a few more days at home?
Well, no, I've decided to go early. So Dad's taking me on Thursday morning in the car.
Oh, tomorrow then.
Yes, and Dad's staying to help me with my things, and then he's coming back home on Friday.
Good. Okay. What's Jane going to do this evening?
5. What's Jane going to do this evening?
So, are you going to do anything nice before you go?
Well, I had a big party at home last weekend. It was great. All my school friends came to say goodbye. And yesterday, I went to the cinema with my best friend.
And what about tonight?
Oh, I'm going to stay at home with my parents and have a quiet night with them.
That's nice.
Tonight. What is she going to do tonight? Are you listening, Mintu? What are you doing on your computer? Okay.
Yes. Can I colour the camel? I mean the one at the front of the picture. Well, colour its ears. Okay. What colour shall I do them? Yellow, please.
Can you see the camel with the yellow ears?
They're not really yellow.
This is an example. Now you listen and colour and write.
Okay, you ready?
1.
There are some people with cameras. They're looking for different creatures. I like the truck they're riding in. Yes, it has to drive over sand, so it's got big tires. Yes, it has. Shall I colour them? Well, can you colour the one at the back of the truck? Do it brown. Okay.
You can make it black if you don't have brown.
I have brown.
Okay. The tire or the wheel at the back of the truck? It's a circle. Okay. Let's wait for number 2.
Look at the men under the trees. They're both asleep. Yes, and one of the men is lying down. Can you see him? Yes. Can I colour the snake above his head? Yes. Colour it pink. Okay. I like that colour. That's good.
Very good.
Three.
Now I'd like you to write something for me. Okay. There's a space on the right at the bottom of the picture. Shall I write something there? No. Can you see a space near the pyramids? Yes. Well, write the word desert there. Can you do that? Yes. No
Write it
problem.
here.
Excellent.
Desert. You can write desert over here. Okay.
Four.
I like those lizards. Can you colour the little one? But I like the bigger lizard better. Can I colour its spots? Oh, okay. Shall I colour them orange? Yes, that's a good idea.
The bigger lizards spots. Okay, remember the spots is the circle. Like
5.
You write
Yeah.
something else now? Yes. There's a space for writing something under those windows there. Yes, there is. Well, write the word amazing in that space. Okay, I've done that.
amazing,
Well done. That's a
amazing,
great pic-
amazing holidays. AMAZING. Yay, very good. Okay, let's go do some speaking. Oh, hold on. Okay. Okay, Mintu. What is different in the first picture and the second picture?
In the first pictures, there is a big sun. But in the second picture, there is a small sun.
Okay, good.
In the first pictures, there is a the rainbow is in front the blue rocket.
Good.
But in the second picture, the rainbow is behind the blue rocket. In the first picture, there are 2 rocks on the ground, but in the second picture, there are 3 rocks on the ground.
Good.
In the first picture, there is a big, there is a small red rocket. But in the second picture, there is a big rocket, red rocket. In the first picture, the red rocket is not has stripper
Stripes. Stripes.
stripe. But in the second picture, the red rocket has a stripe.
Stripes.
Surprise. In the first picture, there are 6 stars, but in the second picture, there are 5 stars. In the first picture, there is a cloud is under the
Planet.
Planet. But in the second picture, the cloud is on the planet
Above. Above.
above. In the first picture, there is a small planet, but in the second picture, there is a big planet. In the first picture, this one of astronauts is looking at the rocket, but in the second picture, the one of astronaut is greeting a map.
Good.
In the first picture, there is a girl of astronaut is
Where? Oh, the astronaut is the girl astronaut
is
waving her left arm.
waving her left arm.
But in the second picture, she is waving her right arm.
In the second picture, she is waving right hand.
Okay,
In
then
the
look at this side
first
is left. Okay, and this side is right. So the flag is on the left, flag is on the right.
In the first picture, there is a red telescope. But in the second picture, there is a blue telescope. In the first picture, there is the telescope is
On the right. The telescope is on the right of the flag.
On the right of the flag. But in the second picture, the telescope is the left
Of the flag.
Of the flag.
Okay.
In
good.
the first picture, there is a flag of the bear. Right, in the second picture, there is a flag of the lion.
Yay, very good, Mintu. Well done. Okay, now let's look at. Okay, Helen's holiday and David's holiday. Okay, where did David go on holiday?
David go to the mountain on holiday.
Okay, but now remember we're talking past tense. So David went to the mountains on holiday. Okay, was the weather good on his holiday?
No, the weather
Was
windy.
okay. How long did David go on holiday?
David
Went.
went holiday 10 days.
For 10 days.
For 10 days.
What did David do on holiday?
David cycling on
Like-
holiday.
David was cycling.
David was cycling on holiday.
Okay, who did David go with on holiday?
David went holiday with his school friends.
Very good. Okay, good. Now you can ask me about Helen's holiday.
Where
Did
where
Where did-
the talents go on holiday?
Helen went to the sea on holiday?
The weather
How was the weather good
was the weather good
on Helen's holiday?
on Helen's holiday?
Yes, the weather was sunny.
How long does Helen's holiday ago?
How long did Helen go on holiday?
How long does Helen go on holiday?
Helen went on holiday for 2 weeks.
What does Helen do on holiday?
Helen went swimming on holiday.
Who
Did
who did go with?
who? Okay, who did Helen go with?
Who
on
did
holiday?
Helen go with? On
Helen-
the holiday.
Helen went with her family on holiday. Okay, very good. We don't have enough time to do the story. Do you know the story, Mintu? Can you tell me the story?
Firstly,
The woman gets off a bus.
the woman gets off the bus and forgets her handbag.
The man
The man
is trying
is
to
trying to
tell
her
her.
handbag. Tell her. Then the girl
The
is
woman,
the woman.
she remembers.
She remember me. She is forget my handbag on the bus, and he's and now she
Is running after the bus.
is running after the bus. Next, she go to the police station and
She's asking for her
she asking for her
handbag.
Handbag.
The policeman
For the-
says,
the policeman
that he doesn't have her handbag.
tell that he doesn't have her handbag. Furthermore, the woman is go to the bus.
And she goes back home.
And she go back home.
Finally,
Finally, The woman
sees the man at her home. He knew her address from the envelope.
He see address on the envelope.
Tell me the last one again, picture 5.
Finally, the woman see the man and
He knew her address.
he see the address in the envelope.
Okay.
The woman is happy.
Okay. Okay, good. Well done. Let's carry on. Okay, we've got a few minutes left. Well done, Mintu. I'm going to tell you the story and I want you to listen how I speak, okay? Okay, so firstly, an old woman gets off a yellow bus, but she forgot her handbag on the bus. The young man is holding the bag, trying to call her. Then she remembers that her bag is on the bus. The man is still holding it, trying to show her that he has it. The old woman is worried. Then the woman goes to the police station and sorry, I don't know who this is. Okay, and asks the policeman for her handbag, but the policeman says he has not seen it. The woman is sad and she gets back on the bus and she goes home. She is the only person on the bus. Finally, she gets home and she sees the young man standing at her door. He looked in her bag at the envelope and saw her address, so he knew where she lived. The woman was very happy. Okay? Okay, hello, happy? Yes. Okay. Well done, Mintu. I will see you next time.
Bye.
Goodbye.